Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this is the alphabet, as you know. It's most important in the alphabet is to pronounce it right. Okay, we have heavy letters and the light ones. Okay, it's all about to pronounce the heavy and light. If you did that right, you did most of the Arabic pronunciation, because it's all about pronouncing. Okay,
Yeah.
so all we have to do is practicing on the letters, inshallah. So as you see
Okay.
here, it's up there, the letters, the heavy letters. Okay,
Yeah.
خص ضغط قض.
Hmm.
Repeat after me. خص
Qussa,
ضغط
ضغط,
قض.
كيف.
Very nice. Means these letters should be heavy, strong, bold in our mouth. Okay, and to do that,
Yeah.
you need to raise up back of your tongue. Nice.
Yeah.
So any other letters, and that's the issue, which is the black letters here, should be light. Light means weak, okay, with empty mouths. The people, you guys, the people talking in Urdu, okay, the mother language Urdu, they don't have a problem with heavy letters. They don't have a problem there. The problem is in the light letters, making every light letters as heavy. So that's what we need to practice with, okay?
Okay.
So we'll take it letter by letter and then save this video for you to later, inshallah. So you practice, keep practice on it, okay?
Okay.
That's the point. So let's say as much as you can, light. Think you can say. Alif.
ألف,
Ba.
باء,
Nice. Ta.
تاء.
Very nice. This is what I want to see. Your mouth is like flexible, open and in, raise up, blowing down. This is what I want to see. Your mouth is flexible. Ta.
ثاء,
Tha.
ثاء.
Nice. Jim.
جيم,
Ha.
هاء,
Kha.
خاء,
Dal.
دال,
Dhal.
زال,
Dhal.
زال,
Ra.
راء,
Zay.
زاء,
Zay.
زاء.
Not just za for fatha, the letter's name now. Zay.
Is زاء.
Yes, you can say za with fatha, and for letter's name, you will say zai.
زال,
Okay. Sin.
سين,
Nice. Sheen.
شين,
Sad.
صاد,
Dad.
ضاد,
Nice. Ta.
طاء,
Va.
ضاء,
Ain.
عين,
Ghain.
غين,
Fa.
فاء,
Qaf.
قاف,
Kaf.
كاف,
Lam.
لام,
Mim.
ميم,
Noon.
نون,
Waw.
واو,
Waw.
واو,
Ha.
ها,
Hamza.
همزة,
Ya.
يا,
Ya.
يا.
Right. This is it. Barakallahu fi. So the two letters, when they come together, one of them heavy and the other is light. This is the issue. To make your mouth say heavy sound and light sound in the same point. Okay?
Okay.
So let's practice like this. We'll pronounce the light letter and the same sound in heavy. So, for example, ta and ta, dal and dad, okay, with fatha. Repeat after me. Ta ta.
تا تا تا.
Yeah. Ta ta.
تا تا.
Nice. Ta Ta.
Ta, ta,
Make it fast. Ta, ta.
ta, ta.
Very nice. The other letter is the letter dal and dad. Okay. So da, da.
Dal, da.
The light one first now. Da,
Dal,
da,
da.
da.
Dal, da.
Nice. This is it. Da, da.
Dal, da.
Very good. Again. Da, da.
Dal, da.
Good. Again. Once more. Da, da.
Dal, dal, da.
Very good.
Dal, da.
Okay. Now let's do another similar sound like sod and sin. Okay. Sa, sa.
Sod, sa. Sod, sa.
Sa, not sa. Sa.
Sod, sa.
Nice. Now reflex. Sa, sa.
Sa, sod.
Nice. Sa, sa.
Sa, sod.
Okay. I don't care if you do fatha or the letter's name. All I care is the sound itself. Is it right or not? So we need to do what else? Okay, very simple here. Kaf and qaf. Okay, let's do ka, qa.
Ka, qaf.
Very nice. Faster. Ka, qa.
Ka, qaf.
Now say qa, ka.
Qaf, ka.
Nice. Faster. Qa, ka.
Qaf, ka.
Nice. We did ta. We need to do va now. Va similar with two letters, the and zay. Okay, it's closer to the one right here. It's closer to this one. Thal,
Okay.
thal. Even you put your tongue out between your teeth to say both of these letters. Thal.
Za, za.
Yes. So try again. Thal.
Zal, za.
Va.
Za.
Nice.
Za.
Faster. The va.
Za, za.
The va.
Za, za.
Nice. Very nice. Switch. Va, the.
Za, za.
Again. Va, the.
Da, za.
Nice, 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 nice. Okay, good. The other, we left two letters, which is heavy, like ghain and kha on top there. These two letters have no similar sound to be light, okay? But they both mixing together. Sometimes people say ghain instead of kha, or kha instead of ghain. So let's just make clear the sound. Let's say kha, ghain.
Kha, ghain.
Very nice. Ghain with fatha now. Gha, kha.
Gha, kha.
Perfect, 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 perfect. Alhamdulillah. That's very, very nice exercising today. Alhamdulillah. Then we will do Qur'an, inshallah. This is enough here in the exercises.